Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the invitation, and I'm very pleased to be here. So what I would like to talk about in this, well, when I was asked to give a talk in this conference, I was a little bit confused about what to say, because I've worked in different areas, but not necessarily directly connected to most of the topics of interest of this audience. And so I thought it would be interesting maybe to talk about some view on a natural system. In this case, that's a bat sonar natural system as some form of, I would say, natural lab for signal processing techniques. So I will not be very technical. I will not be technical at all, in fact, as far as signal processing concerned, even it's my field. But I would try rather to focus on the idea that there will be an intertwining between a natural system, which is given by nature, like the bat sonar system, and ideas coming from signal processing, communication theory, and mathematics which goes along. Okay, and so I will present results that are related to studies we did somehow a long time ago, but also the general idea, I think, is still current. So the topics is about bats. So you know, I guess, bats, you have seen some of them, and bat is a typical example of what we call an animal sonar system. That's not the only one. You have also dolphins and even some rats which are using this system. And this, the story started with basic observation which was done by Spallanzani some long time ago, and he made some very cruel experiments, in fact, for ascertaining the fact that bats are navigating without vision. And so one way of doing that is, for instance, just to remove the eyes and to see that bats still can fly and hunt and do things like this. And there was some assumption that there should exist a system, and a system would be a way of sensing the environment, which is not directly the human way of sensing the environment by vision, and this will be called later echolocation. Okay, echolocation. So the idea of echolocation is very simple. It just amounts to imagine that the animal is emitting a sound, so that's an active system, and when the sound is arriving at the target, then there is a reflection, and then the sound bounces back and is reflected and comes back to the ears of the animal. In some way there should be some processing